Have you ever wondered what Santa Claus would look like in a dark, cinematic sci-fi movie?
A few moments later.
Well, here he is. And the crazy part is, this wasn't filmed on a movie set. This was created with AI right inside my web browser. Or maybe you imagined him as an action hero with epic lighting, slow motion, and dramatic music.
A few moments later.
Well, I did. So I decided to create him using Higgsfield Cinema Studio, a platform that lets you create AI images, generate full cinematic videos, and even turn a single still image into a moving scene, all directly in your browser. No apps, no installs. Just type what you want, and the AI builds the lighting, the camera motion, the mood, everything. So in this video, I will show you my real workflow, step by step, and we will test how far we can push AI filmmaking right here online. Let's get started. Now let's take a look at the virtual camera controls inside Higgsfield. Here I can choose which cinema camera I want to use for the shot. I can switch to a different camera depending on the look and style I want to create. Next, I can also change the lens. Different lenses affect the perspective and the mood of the image, just like in real cinematography. And here I can adjust the focal length. Right now, it is set to 24 millimeters. A lower focal length gives a wider, more dramatic field of view, while a higher focal length gives a tighter, more focused image. So even though this is AI-generated content, I still have real creative control over the camera setup, similar to working on an actual film set. And here is the result. Higgsfield generated this cozy winter cabin at night, with soft snow and warm, glowing windows. It really looks like a cinematic movie frame, all from simple text. But what if you want to generate a full video instead of an image? With Higgsfield, you can create cinematic AI videos directly in your browser and customize them easily. You can set the clip length to 5 or 10 seconds, choose whether the camera moves, turn slow motion on or off, and even generate multiple clips at once. It really feels like using real filmmaking tools, but powered by AI. Now we're going to use our action hero Santa Claus and turn him into a video. In this case, I'll generate a clip of him standing up with cinematic lighting and camera movement. I can't really decide which camera movement I like best, so let's just go with a dolly shot. It always makes everything look way more cinematic, even Santa Claus. And here we go. We finally have our result. Our action hero Santa Claus is now officially alive in cinematic AI form. Honestly, I did not expect Santa to look this dramatic, but Higgsfield really delivered. Now let's try the slow motion option and make the clip a bit longer. I'll set it to 10 seconds, so the movement feels more dramatic and cinematic. Once again, I'm going to enable camera movement, because if there's one thing Higgsfield absolutely nails, it's cinematic camera motion. This is their ace card. And just look at this. It honestly feels like I'm watching a real action movie scene. The camera movement, the lighting, the atmosphere. Higgsfield makes Santa Claus look more cinematic than ever. Wow, that was absolutely awesome. I love how good this turned out. Okay, let's try something completely different. This time, I'm going to generate an image of a bee sitting on a flower, but in full macro mode. So we get all those tiny details, just like a professional macro photography shot. I'll choose the Laowa macro lens for this shot. And of course, Higgsfield makes this super easy. You just drop your prompt in and let the magic happen. And this time, I'm going to generate 4 images. Because why stop at 1, when you can let Higgsfield surprise you 4 times in a row? And just look at these results. We've got 4 completely different macro shots of bees on flowers, and every single one looks like it was taken with a real professional camera. The detail, the lighting, the textures, it's honestly insane how good these are. Higgsfield really went all in on this one. Each image has its own unique style and personality, but they all look incredibly sharp and cinematic. Honestly, if you told me these were real macro photos, I would probably believe you. Now let's make things a little harder. I'm going to give Higgsfield an ultra-complex prompt and see how well it handles something really advanced. And look at this. I threw the most complicated prompt I could think of at Higgsfield. And it still gives me something that looks like it belongs in a film festival. Not bad at all. All right, now let's see if we can create a scene worthy of Hollywood. Big cinematic vibes, dramatic lighting, and the full movie treatment. No pressure, Higgsfield. Sunglasses. Check. Smile. Check. Epic walkaway moment? Check. Yep, we're officially in Hollywood mode. And let's switch to handheld, because nothing says cinematic drama like a slightly shaky camera. And of course, our main actor deserves more screen time, so let's give him a full 10-second clip to really shine. And wow, just look at this scene. Higgsfield absolutely nailed it. The cinematic vibe, the mood, the realism, it all comes together perfectly. This is seriously impressive AI filmmaking. Let's watch it again. There are a lot of AI video tools popping up now. Things like Sora 2 and Nano Banana. But what I really like about Higgsfield is how easy it makes everything. You can generate images, create cinematic video, control the camera, lens, movement, and timing all in one place, right in your browser. And that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. And before we officially wrap up, here's a final message from our very special guest.
Subscribe to Higgsfield! Hi. Hi!